Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Make.com scenarios for project updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch your web browser. Navigate to the Make.com website. Log into your Make.com account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. You will be directed to the Scenario Editor. In the Scenario Editor, observe the blank canvas. This is where you will build your project update automation. Start by clicking on the Add button to select your first module. In the module search bar, type the name of the application you want to integrate. For example, if you want to use Google Sheets, type Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets from the drop-down list. Choose the specific action you want to accomplish, such as add a row. Once selected, follow the prompts to connect your Google Sheets account. Authorize the connection by signing in to your Google account. Ensure you grant Make.com the necessary permissions. Now that your module is set up, you will see connection fields. Fill in the required fields with the specific data for your project. For example, specify the spreadsheet name and the required columns. Next, you'll want to add another module to process updates. Click the Add button again to select another application. If you're using a project management tool like Trello, search for Trello. Select Trello and choose the desired action, like create a card. Connect your Trello account by signing in and authorizing the connection. After setup, fill in the required details for your Trello card. You can reference data from the previous module by using the drop-down menu. This allows you to dynamically update your project cards. Once you've configured your desired modules, it's time to set the scenario trigger. Click on the clock icon to set up the trigger frequency. Choose how often you want the scenario to run, such as every hour or daily. Make sure to save your scenario frequently to. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.